So I genuinely think the 450s are the worst Yeezy. Yeezy's been doing this thing for a really long time, y'all, but man, the more I see these, at first, I'm pretty open to different styles and, you know, just trying things that are kind of wild. But these dumpling looking alien shoes are just not it, man. It's a sleek look. Reminds me a lot of Venom. And I don't know if maybe it's for the wide foot fellas, but they're just not it. They're extremely hard to get your foot in. It's nothing like your prime knit Adidas NMDs or let's say Nike's Roshi runs. It's almost like a very skin tight piece of footwear. I mean, that's the best way I can possibly put it. Now I figure the black version would actually be a lot cleaner than kind of like the yellow sulfur version that I had prior. And you guys, if you want to see that review, it's somewhere on the screen. And after, you know, trying them on, giving them a little wear test, they're just not for me, and I truly think this is probably the worst Yeezy if I had to pick one. Now I do think the concept is cool. I really think this paneling of this would look really dope on something like Yeezy 700. But frankly, man, I'm really just not feeling them. I definitely think if you have like a more narrow foot, these might be great for you. But if you're on the wider foot side, it is honestly just a no-go. It's low-key kind of hard justifying paying what I paid for these. You know, I paid for resale in advance because I kind of wanted to really just show the review, and I thought the black version would be a lot better. Also, really quick, want to let you guys know today's video is sponsored by Secret Sauce. Secret Sauce is an invite-only reselling community for sneakers, trading cards, snapbacks, PS5s, and all that good stuff. There are over 70,000 success stories on Twitter. Here's one of the members saying they made bread.
How much money you made?
My best month, I did 15,000 in sales and I made 4 bands in March.
If you guys click that link down below, it'll give you immediate access to the group. That way you don't have to wait because it is an invite-only community. Definitely try it out, man. Just give it a month and, you know, see how it goes. Still a good group to be associated with in terms of just kind of like a side hustle. If you want to make an extra 100, 500, 1,000, it's really up to you. You guys can check it out. The link down below. And if any of you guys have used Secret Sauce before, leave a comment down below and, you know, let me know your experience. See right here, this is like one of the first reasons that I absolutely despise these shoes is, so you guys know I tore my patellar tendon in my knee. When I couldn't put shoes on, bro, there was no chance. If you get injured, bro, I'm not saying, obviously we expect most of us to be pretty healthy, but these are, like I said, almost skin tight. Like it's essentially just a sock. And I don't know, I'm not digging that. I like a little bit of room in my shoes. I like to be able to just slip them on and go. I get there's a certain aesthetic that comes with these. And I would imagine the prime knit kind of stretches out as you wear them out. But just that initial on foot, man, I'm just not a fan. I'm for sure getting rid of these. If anybody wants these, I'll put them below in the description. You could buy them because I don't want them. But like, yeah, here's my bad leg. So this is going to be a struggle just to get them on. Old folks definitely ain't wearing these. I personally think, honestly, these look way better on women. Like, yo, this is taking me a minute. All right. Whew. I guess maybe another big deal for me is like I don't really know how to style these in terms of, I don't know, like the reason I say they look better on women is just because of the type of clothing that women wear, whether it's a bodysuit or like those biker shorts. It just fits more so the aesthetic. I truly want to like these, man. I really do. I really genuinely do. Otherwise, I wouldn't have purchased them. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, they're not for me. They're just not that comfortable to me compared to other Yeezys. It's definitely it's for a certain person. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's all I pretty much have to say about these. Honestly bummed I don't like them. I think they have some cool characteristics, but, you know, the worst Yeezy model to release so far. And you can let me know, what do you think is the worst Yeezy of all time? Let me know down below in the comments. But this is your boy Sneaker Life. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Run it.
Hands in the air.